Overcooked, the board game, is a competitive card game for 2 to 4 players. The goal of the game is to create recipes to earn points. The player with the most points at the end of the game wins. The game ends when no more recipes are at the center of the table. The gameplay consists of players taking turns, starting from player 1 and proceeding counterclockwise. On your turn, you may do one and only one of 4 actions. The first action you can do is take an ingredient card from your hand and place it on your plate, which is the table in front of you. If this completes one of the recipes at the center of the board, you take that recipe card and put it in your recipe cards pile, and you remove all of the cards from your plate used to create that recipe and discard them. This will give you points for that recipe. Note that your plate can have ingredients on it that are not used in the recipe, and the order that you place the ingredient cards does not matter. The second action you can do is play an action card. There are 4 action cards in the game. The reverse card reverses the direction of play. The skip card skips the next player. The kitchen fire card clears all of the cards off of another player's plate. And the swap hands card lets you swap hands with another player. The third action is to discard all of the ingredients off of your plate and any number of cards from your hand. After you have discarded the cards, draw cards until you have 7 cards in your hand. The fourth and final action you can do is discard 3 of the same card from your hand to steal a card off of another player's plate. After you have taken your turn, all players that have less than 7 cards must draw cards from the deck until they have 7. Once your turn is over, click the turn counter in playingcards.io to move to the next player. There is one more special card you can use called the Nope card. You can play a Nope card anytime another player plays an action card to prevent that action from happening. You can also play a Nope card on another Nope card to cancel out the first Nope card. Once a Nope card is played on an action card, that action card and Nope card must be discarded. That's basically everything for the rules. You're almost ready to play, but you have to set up the game first. To set up the game, first have the players join the game by opening the playingcards.io link. Next, click the game reset button. Now, have each player choose a chef from the chef cards pile. Chef cards do not have an effect on the gameplay, but players seem to enjoy choosing them. Now, have the players click and drag the pile of 7 cards that is in front of them to the bottom of their screen. This will add the cards to their hand. And that's it. Now you're ready to play. Thanks for watching, and bon appetit.
Wait, what?
Oh,
I
you
was
said.
setting it so that we had our.
Oh, okay, all right.
Yo, who took my card? Someone
Okay.
just sneakily took.
Oh, wait, where am I?
I'll just.
Oh, somebody tried to steal my chef.
I'm gonna steal your cards.
Oh yeah, I think I stole someone's cards. My bad.
Is
Okay.
that good?
Ready?
Okay.
Oh,
I'm going onion.
All right, I'm going meat.
I'll go tomato.
I'll go skip. Skip.
We're starting to get heated.
I'm having deja vu.
I'm gonna do meat.
Me too.
Same.
I guess I'm gonna do. Yeah, I'll just play down meat.
All right.
Going to an onion.
I'm gonna swap hands with Tom.
Ah,
Shoe.
Okay. So I'm gonna place down all the cards. Alright.
Put another lettuce.
All right. All right.
I'll put another meat.
All right.
Hey. I'm going with lettuce.
Damn.
Hmm.
Gonna go hard on that meat.
Hmm.
Going for the ribs.
This is tough. I'm
Man, straight up.
gonna- Oh no. Okay. I'll do kitchen fire on Nathan.
Oh, dude, come on, man. No, y'all were going for it.
You leave me no choice.
All right.
I know Tom might be going.
Oh, I can't.
Wait,
read.
didn't you? Wait, you had 3 on the board, right?
Yeah.
You could have taken the chicken soup, huh?
I'm gonna reverse.
Yeah, I should have.
He
One of
wanted-
those ribs.
He wanted to go for it all.
All right.
My turn?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Damn, that was fast.
Tomato cabbage soup.
That's like the game plan. Just go for the big ones. You know what? I'm gonna swap hands with Aubrey.
No.
I mean, either way, it's not like my cards are any better, so.
I know, but I had what I needed. It was perfect for my turn too. Better be one in the deck. Last chance. Are you kidding? Oh, you know what? You know what? Let's go hands back with you. Give me my cards back. Can't believe this.
Oh, wait, who's the card on this end?
That's also yours. You took it before I gave you all mine.
Oh.
So this one's also.
Wait, what? Oh, okay. Okay.
There.
Oh, I'm not
Oh my
done.
god. There we go.
Okay. Oh, so
Oh,
now,
yeah.
All right, Tom.
oh, it's me. It's me. Let's see. I'm gonna do kitchen fire on Aubrey.
Really? I went through all that trouble.
True. Okay, now it's so yeah. 18.
Alright. I'll
Under 5
go.
minutes.
I'll go onion.